Yet the sea breeze is a ceiling in heavy fog when its engine overheats. Reading and 8 unable to continue. The crew is sick but they require towing assistance. The captain decides to transmit a security message to alert vessels in the vicinity and request assistance. Step 1. Captain on the yacht.
Security, security, security. This is Seabreeze, Seabreeze, Seabreeze. We are a yacht located at latitude 38 degrees and 45 minutes north and longitude 72 degrees and 10 minutes west. Our engine has overheated and we are unable to restart it. We are in an area of heavy fog with limited visibility and require assistance with a tow or repair. There is no immediate danger to our life. Over.
The captain repeats this message every 3 to 5 minutes to ensure nearby vessels and authority receive the communication. Step 2. Acknowledgement of the safety called the Coast Guard. Response.
Seabreeze, this is Coast Guard 8. We have received your security message. We are aware of your location and coordinating assistance. A nearby vessel is en route to tow you to safety. Please stand by. Further instruction. Over.
Step 3. Response from the nearby vessel offering assistance. The Blue Horizon.
Seabreeze, this is Blue Horizon, a commercial fishing vessel located approximately 5 nautical miles west of your position. We have received your message and could provide assistance if needed. Over.
Blue Horizon, this is Seabreeze. We appreciate your response. The Coast Guard has already dispatched a tow vessel, but we welcome any assistance you can provide, particularly in maintaining visual contact in the fog. Over.
Roger that. Seabreeze, we are altering course to your position and will maintain communication on Channel 16. Over.
Coast Guard 8, this is Seabreeze. We have received an offer of assistance from Blue Horizon, a nearby vessel. The crew remains in good health and we are currently unanchored. Visibility remains poor. Please confirm if you should proceed with assistance. From Blue Horizon. Over.
Seabreeze, this is Coast Guard 8. The tower vessel is in 15 minutes away. You are advised to remain anchored and keep Blue Horizon. Update on your status. Maintain for signals and light. Over.
Coast Guard 8, understood. We are following all recommended precautions. We are standing by. Over.
Seabreeze, this is the Coast Guard 8. Stand by while we confirm with assistance from Blue Horizon and continue monitoring Channel 16. Over.
Coast Guard 8, this is Seabreeze. The tow operation is successful and we are en route to the nearest port. Thank you for your coordination and assistance. Over.
Additional guidance and safety measures. While awaiting the two vessels, the Seabreeze crew takes additional safety precautions, activating fog signals, using a bell or horn every 2 minutes, displaying navigation lights to enhance visibility, referring to lines and securing loose objects on deck, wearing life jacket as a precautionary measure. Key terms and procedural words used.
Security, a safety signal indicating a non-life-threatening situation requiring assistance safety-related information.
Over indicates the end of the transmission of request or response.
Roger, acknowledgement that the message was received and understood.
Stand by. The captain is instructed to wait for further instructions.
Affirmative. A confirmation that the captain will follow the instruction provided.
Out signifies the end of conversation with no further response expected.
Summary. In this scenario, the captain of the Seabreeze uses the security signal to communicate a non-distress situation where assistance is needed, but there is no immediate danger to life or the vessels. The IAMSAR manual recommend using the security signal to indicate a safety-related situation, such as request for help with mechanical failure or reporting important safety information. The procedural words like Roger, over, standby, and out ensure the communication is clear and well understood by both parties.
We are the Group 3 represented safety signal. Walk in.